Welcome to my channel called with Fernando. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a Docker image with Dockerfile. So, what is a Dockerfile? A Dockerfile is a script that contains step-by-step instructions to create Docker image for our application. It defines everything needed to package and run the application inside a container. Let's think of a Dockerfile as a recipe for building a containerized app. It includes base image. This defines the operating system and runtime, application files, copies your Java app into the container, dependencies, ensures that the required libraries are available, run the command, specifies how to stop the Java application. Is there any reason to use the Dockerfile? Sure. Consistency runs the same in all environments, local, staging, and production. Portability, package once, run anywhere, no setup needed. Scalability, easily deploy multiple instances using Docker. So, these are the steps to create a Docker image using Dockerfile. First of all, we need to build a jar file. How do we do that? Run the following Maven command from the directory where the POM XML is located. So we run this command. This command will generate the jar file inside our target folder. Then we create a Docker file. We write the Docker instructions in a file named Dockerfile again. This file defines how to build a Docker image for the application. After that, we build a Docker image. Run the following Docker command from the directory where the Docker file is located. For that command to use to be useful, you really need your Docker Hub username. So go to the Docker Hub webpage, register and get the username and put it here. This creates a Docker image with a specified name and tag. After that, finally, we run the Docker container. Start a container using the created image and map source. Okay, this runs the application inside the Docker container, making it accessible on the specified port. Now let's see this in action. Okay, I have this folder called Docker, just the name, Docker. Inside this folder, I have 3 microservices. We will use account microservices to create our Docker file. So our first step will be this. We open this folder and we go to our POM file. Okay, our POM file is here. Okay, now here we need to add this line of code, packaging. Okay, we'll say jar. So what does this line do? It says we need to package our project as a jar file. Okay, after that, we go to our target folder. This target folder, we delete everything we have in there. Everything deleted. There's not going to be a problem. Delete everything. Okay, now open the bash. I have already in the bash, I have in account microservices, so I run this command nbn pin install. Okay. So it will take some time, like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, after 1 minute of waiting, it's completed. So what I wanted to show is this. Now, if we open our target folder, we have this, our jar file. This is what we need to build our Docker image, our jar file. Okay. Okay, now we go to our accounts and we create our Docker file. Okay, inside we are going to add something from OpenJDK 17 JDK. So what does this line does is the following. It uses a lightweight image that contains our OpenJDK Java Development Kit, right? Version 17. Okay, now we go for maintainer. This is not a requirement, however, I think it's quite important to add. Okay, now we go for this command, copy, then navigate now accounts. Okay, this one. Okay, accounts. Then we copy again. copying this jar file from our target directory from our local machine into the container. So with this line of code, we have copied the build jar, our build jar file from the directory, I mean from our local machine, right? Into the container. Okay, finally, entry point. Entry point. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Here we have Java. These commands will be used by our Docker daemon. So the Docker daemon is responsible to open this container. So it will look for these commands to open this application. Accounts. So we copy this. So now it's really important that you have already opened your Docker desktop application. Otherwise, you won't be able to run this command. So okay, so now I'm locating my folder and I'm writing this command: docker build t, and now I'm gonna enter my Docker Hub username. In my case, it's Fernando SK94. Okay, now accounts, because we are located in the accounts microservices, and now the tag. This one is version 1. Okay, that's it. Finally, it's done. So if we go to our Docker desktop application, we see the accounts version 1 is already here. It's an image. Okay, it's an image. Okay, now we are going to create our container based on our image. Okay, to do that, we type the following command: docker run. We're running this in detached mode. 8080. My username Nandos K94. Okay, accounts version B1. Okay, because we are following this one, B1. Okay, after that, press enter. Now we know it's working. If we go to the desktop page, I mean to our desktop, Docker desktop, we see this is our container. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that it's already working. Accounts. I'm going to create an account. Okay. Good, it's working. Now we're going to fetch. Okay, it's working. Thank you.